What's going on, YouTube? What's new? What's blue? What's gloom? What's this? What's that? We are back with another banger. Yes, we back with another banger. Like I said before, we are here to provide you with something different, something new, something innovative, something you're not going to see on nobody else's channel. And that's what I'm here to provide you with. Yo, if you're returning, I want to say thank you for blessing this channel again. If you new, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 1,500. So let's go. Small steps to a giant. So let's go. Let's go. Hey, once again, like I said before, I want to say thank you. Thank you. But do me a favor, please. Hit that subscribe button. Like I said before, we're on the road to that 1,500. So let's go. Support me. I support you. And it is what it is. And we can make it, baby. Let's go. Hey, we're here with this some heat. Nah, we here with some heat. We got some heat. Kickz has landed. Kickz has landed. If y'all know what this box is, y'all know where this box come from. Y'all know where that box come from. And look, this just some... how I put this? I want to say something regular, like something that shouldn't even be hard to cop. And that's the problem nowadays. The regular stuff that you can't even find nowhere is hard to cop, man. And this was one of them, and I don't even know why, man. So scrolling, seen these early, you know, hit the thing like, hey, notify me when they dropping. Bam. So this did drop in two different styles. It's a mid and a low. Y'all know what I'm probably getting at. But this shoe shouldn't have been hard to cop. And it was hard to cop, which is crazy. Now, I was judging that it is online. That's probably why it was hard to cop. Because it was online. Now, if I would have went in the store, it should have been an easy cop. It should have been sitting. But we all know how this shoe game going now. Resellers is taking over. And, hey, shout out to them. Because if they business booming, they business booming. It is what it is. But I know y'all tired of me talking. Y'all don't want to hear this. Y'all want to see what the shoe is. And want to get to it. Y'all want me to do the review. And let's go, man. Let's go. Let's get to the shoe, man. Let's get to the shoe. Hey, let's do this opening, though, man. Bam. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I love it when they do stuff like that. Did I get it all the way? I might not even get it all the way. There we go. There we go. Uh-oh. 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 Yes. 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 I don't know if y'all can see that in there. Can y'all see that in there? Ah, y'all see that in there. Y'all see that in there. So, yes. We here with the black box. Gold Nike sign. Yes. Yeah. Gold. I'm sorry. Gold Jordan sign. Yes, 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 yes. I know y'all be like, I know y'all gonna go back to the videos like, I thought this wasn't a Jordan channel. This is not. This is a exclusive heat channel. Period. Exclusive heat. Nah, it's just different shit, y'all. I want to bring different shit to y'all. Different shit to the table. Just something different. I'm tired of seeing everybody just with the same shoe, and it's getting kind of old. And this is a low. Shout out to my man Jay. This nigga got that low life. That low life. These are cold, and let's take a look at them. Let's take a look at them. First time looking at them in hand. Have seen them on a lot of pictures, but this is the first time looking at them in hand. So let's get into it. Ooh, ooh, y'all see it? Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Let's go. Let's go. This is the Jordan 1 low. What they calling these? Diamond? I think these diamond something. Diamond. Oh, they don't even got it on here, but they the black and multicolor. Like I said before, these shoe boxes and not having these names on the shoe or the right colors on these shoes is crazy. But let's get into this shoe. Bam.
Shit. Yeah. Looking like,
Get it, bitch. Bam. Yes. Yes, look at this shoe, man. Look at this shoe. This is a I want to say, oh, it's just a black and white shoe, but it's not. It's not. Look at the one. I think they could have did a better job with this Nubuck on here. I would have put a suede or just went straight leather, but it mixes with the shoe. Shout out that iridescent look on the all the white parts, cold except for that bottom. Let me cut this light up. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Let me cut the light up a little bit. Can y'all see the iridescence on that? I don't know. I don't know if it's catching it. I'll probably put some B-roll where you can catch that in there. With that translucent bottom, man. These are Jordan 1 diamonds. You see on the tongue there, it got it on there. Like I said, man, this is a dope shoe. It's something different, man. I don't really have a lot of Jordan. I'm not a fan of Jordan 1s, but Jordan 1 lows, I do kind of like, you know what I'm saying, I like this new style they coming out with the Jordan 1 lows. I wish they would make the Nike sign a little tad bit bigger on them. But you know, it is what it is. Like I said, I'm not a Jordan 1 fan at all. These might sit in the collection. They might get sold. One reason is this translucent bottom. That bottom, man, you already know once you wear this 1 or 2 times, that bottom gonna be done. Dunzo. But it is a good shoe. It is a good shoe. It's a good shoe to have in the collection, something to throw on. Something you want. One, you ain't gonna see a lot of people with on. And I think that's what I like about different shoes. Hey, these gonna mature over time. I'm telling you that now. If you ain't got them now, go cop them. They will mature over time. Not for no resale value, but over time you'll see them and you'll be like, man, why didn't I ever cop those? And I think this is one of them shoes. Will it be a lace swap in the future? I'm not sure. I don't know. Thinking about it. Definitely thinking about it. This, like I said, this is a dope shoe. I like the iridescent on it. And, yo, if you can cop it, go cop it. If it's in it might be sitting in your stores, but they did put a mid version of this out. Bam. And, like I said, they did put a... Like I said, this is a dope shoe. Nothing special about it other than the tongue and, well, the toe box and how they look in the back. Like I said, this is not a special shoe, but it is a dope shoe. Like I said, hey, do me a favor. Once again, hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 1,500. Yo, this your boy, Blacked Out Kickz. Once again, coming at you with new and exclusive heat. Hey, stay blessed, be blessed, and always find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we out.